Welcome. Today we're going to dive into an incredibly powerful yet often overlooked form of meditation, walking meditation. Walking meditation is a simple and universal practice for developing calm, connectedness, and embodied awareness. You might be wondering, what exactly is walking meditation? It's a form of meditation in action. In walking meditation, we use the experience of walking as our focus. We become mindful of our experience while walking, and try to keep our awareness involved with the experience of walking. It's an excellent and practical way to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. Now, let's dive into the process of how to practice walking meditation. First, find a quiet place where you can walk comfortably back and forth, about 10 to 15 paces in length. It could be outdoors, or inside your house. Start standing at one end of this path, and pause for a few moments. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose, and exhaling slowly through the mouth. Feel the sensation of standing on the earth. Feel its solidity and support beneath your feet. Now, when you are ready, open your eyes. Begin to walk slowly. Make each step a gesture, moving at a pace that allows you to be aware of each movement of your legs and feet. Don't focus on any particular thing or place ahead of you. Simply maintain a soft gaze, allowing your awareness to remain with the physical sensation of walking. As you walk, pay attention to the lifting and falling of your foot as you walk from one end of the path to the other. Turn around slowly and mindfully, aware of the whole body, and start again. In walking meditation, our attention is on the walking itself, on the experience of walking, and not on the destination. If your mind wanders from the sensations of walking, gently return your focus back to them. Walking meditation is a wonderful practice for those who find sitting meditation difficult. It can be done anywhere, at any time you're walking. It's a great way to bring mindfulness into your daily life, and it's a practice you can bring to any situation that involves walking. Remember, the key is not to rush the process. The slower and more mindful your steps, the more beneficial the practice will be. That's it for today's guide to walking meditation. We hope you find this form of meditation helpful and that integrating it into your daily routine brings you a sense of calm and mindfulness. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Thank you so much for watching this video from Meditation Tips. We're here to support you on your journey towards inner peace and mindfulness. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who may also find it beneficial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our future videos. We regularly share tips, techniques, and guided meditations to help you deepen your practice. We value your thoughts and experiences, so please leave a comment below about how your walking meditation went. Did you notice anything new or unexpected? Do you have any questions or requests for future videos? Your feedback helps us create content that you'll find valuable and enjoy. Once again, thank you for being a part of the Meditation Tips community. We're so grateful to be part of your meditation journey. Stay mindful and see you in the next video.